Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Ruyilam Solar Garden Lights for outdoor use. It's a 4-pack, as you can see, with 96 light-emitted diodes, and it is waterproof. These are solar flickering dancing flames, 31 inches pathway lights from dusk to dawn, automatically on and off. For garden, for your yard, for your driveway, for your pathway, where you like. These Ruyilam outdoor solar lights produce a fantastic flame effect and create amazing festival atmosphere. These solar garden lights are ideal for our indoor and outdoor decorations, as well as for outdoor events like night parties, gathering, and barbecue. If you're going to use them indoor, of course, you have to look where you are installed or attach it. You have to look that there is a little bit sun, okay, because of the LED reloading solar panels. The Ruyilam outdoor pathway lights absorbs the sunlight during the day and turn on the light automatically at night. The 96 LED beads are super bright to light up our garden and our yard. With rechargeable battery inside, it is capable of running for 12 hours after being fully charged for round about 8 hours. And I think it could be a Christmas decoration too, okay, is 30.7-inch long, included the stake. And they are made out of ABS material, and they are waterproof, IP65 certified. These outdoor solar lights can keep working under various weather conditions, withstanding all weathers, no worrying about raining, snowing, and frosting, which is suitable for outdoor decorations here. No wiring required at all. We are going to install it simply, easy. Outdoor, on lawn, soil, wall, or our favorable place without gravels or cobblestones under bright sunshine. The outdoor nice LED decor are not only can be provided as a beautiful ambience for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, and other occasions, but also it can be widely used in the garden, patio wedding, festival parties, yards, driveways for illumination. And it's not only for the ground install. No, you can use it on your ceiling, on your walls, or flat on the surface. And this comes by Ruyilam. The aim of Ruyilam has always been for quality lighting devices, making to be accessible and affordable for everyone out there. As a brand, they encapsulate confidence, boldness, and always seeing the positive side to every scenario. To Ruyilam is all about hard work and a passion for lightning. They are fast paced and up to date with the latest trend. Like this stuff here. I like them really much. Really. With the Ruyilam solar torch lights, it can be much easier to create seductive ambience where we set up. We let the solar pathway lights take care of our seasonal home decoration needs. They can bring holiday cheer to us in the winter and brighten up our patio and garden at summer nights. The lighting in our garden or patio is one of the best ways to enhance our outdoor holiday setting. Not only will these solar landscape lights come in handy to illuminate our patio at Christmas, but they will also add an aesthetic element that is reminds net of our favorite outdoor lighting. The solar torch lights features a warm dancing flame light that helps to create a romantic and cozy mood, which is good for both daily and holiday decoration. And I think the bottom line here is solar energy. We do not need any wire. We need no power supply because there is a big solar power supply in the sky, the sun. And it's IP65 waterproof with a built-in 2200 milliampere hour battery. Automatic off in daytime, automatic on in evening. The sun-powered panel is 0.88 watt powered, 17% efficiency with the panels on top of it. The lithium-ion battery capacity is 2200 milliampere hour. The lumens are 35 lumen. The solar charging time is around about 8 hours. The working time around about 12 hours. The weight is only 470 grams. And the dimensions are 120 to 120 to 780 millimeter. And the LED lifespan is about 50,000 hours. This solar light should be charged under the sun directly for 5 hours before first time use. If there is no strong sunlight within 3 months, the battery may run out of power. If the indicator light flashes, it means the power is low, so it has to be recharged in bright sunlight immediately. When it is fully charged, it can work normally again. If there is no strong sunlight, it may take longer to be full charged, which is a normal condition for solar products, okay? And we do not forget to turn on the switch before use because there is a button on it. And we have to push only once this button to switch it on. But after this time, they will go on automatically from dusk till dawn. This light uses high efficiency solar panels, which absorbs the sunlight during the day and turn it automatically on night. And a really easy installation. No wiring required at all. We simply install it on lawn, soil or our favorite place without gravels. And it's easy because you do have to stick the sticks together, insert it, job's done. Or you can use a wall attachment, for example. Then you have to drill 3 holes and tighten the screws with the holding system. Then you can attach it, push it inside there too, and you have a wall ceiling. That's really cool because it's so multifunction. And it looks so nice and brilliant at night. And daytime it looks great too because these black ABS lights are a decorative part of your daytime garden too. This is cool, and I think so far it's the best LED spotted light in my garden so far. Okay, these are the Ruyilam solar garden lights for outdoor use. It's a 4-pack with 96 LEDs. It is waterproof, a solar flickering dancing flame with 31 inches pathway lights from dusk to dawn, automatic on and off for our garden, for example. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.